These are the ingredients. You will be needed all-purpose flour 1 cup, brown sugar 1 cup, 2 eggs, butter, sugar and wheat flour, choco chips, vanilla essence, almonds, baking powder, Nutrella. Melt the butter until it gets brown. As you can see, color has been started changing into light brown. Keep it on low flame. In a bowl, add brown sugar first. Then comes 1/2 cup sugar, white sugar, baking powder, 1 spoon, vanilla essence. I have taken few drops of it. Butter, 1 cup which is melted. Add 2 eggs. Flour, wheat flour, add Nutrella 1 spoon. If you want your cookies to be darker in color, add some more Nutrella. Now mix it. For even better taste, you can chill it for 1 hour or even overnight. Use the baking pan with butter paper. Using your hand, you can make a ball shape round. Add salt at the base. And our cookies are ready to serve. I'll show you how it is from inside. See how delicious it is with the choco chips in it. This is the first time I have made cookies. If you like my video, then please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.